Alright, so this is the announcement that I want to make. So, 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 oh, I know. Oh, I looked on the internet. And other than me seeing the news about black holes getting closer than ever, Earth was good. And I've also found out that some people have decided to leave the Google Play Store because of, I don't know, slight errors that because of quote unquote slight errors that they made. And I decided I also decided to delete the Google Play Store too. Well, disable it. Oh, why am I showing you this old game? Damn, I just showed you it. I hope you don't burn out my ear. Yeah, I hope that didn't. Yeah, I hope that didn't burn out your eardrums. Because I remember. Because I remembered. Don't think I didn't remember the day I posted my video on my Talking Tom 2.4.1 version. The audio was so loud. The audio was so loud. Oh, that you headphone users out there might want to consider taking off your headphones. That's for that video, but we're good. And now we're gonna get to the part. And now we're gonna get to the part where I will say, since I have a since I have an Apple iPhone and an XR. I no, I'll rephrase that. Since I have an Apple iPad, the 10th generation, and an iPhone XR, we have all my time playing on my devices is probably gonna be centered around the iPhone XR and the iPad. Basically, I think now on I use my iPhone and my iPad. And don't forget I forgot about my Android. And I am also using that as well. So although I replaced the App Store with up to down App Store, we're fine. I am fine. So I have. Oh right. Oh right, I forgot. I didn't give this version of the game access to my microphone because that's what you have to do. Because that's what you have to do because that's what you have to do. It's already enabled. Wow, I'm confused. I mean, activating your microphone is what you have to do to have your virtual pet hear you. So I'll just end it here. Goodbye.